Flower center. Round 1, chain 17. Round 2, work 8 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet increase. 2 single crochets. Single crochet increase. 2 single crochets. Single crochet increase. Single crochet. Chain 1. And turn. Round 3, skip first stitch. 6 double crochets. Skip 1, single crochet. Skip 1, repeat twice. Six double crochets. Skip 1, 8 single crochets. Turn. Round 4, single crochet, chain 1, 7 times. Single crochet. Slip stitch. Single crochet. Chain 1. Single crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet. Chain 1. Single crochet. Slip stitch. Skip 1, repeat twice. Slip stitch. Single crochet. Chain 1. Single crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet. Chain 1. Single crochet. Slip stitch. Chain 1. Petals. Round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 1. Work 5 single crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 2, increase in each stitch around, 5 increases. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 3, single crochet, increase, repeat 5 times. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 4, single crochet. Single crochet. Picot. Two single crochets. Single crochet. Picot. Repeat 4 times. Single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Round 5. Half double crochet. Three double crochets. Chain 1. 3 half double crochets. Chain 1. 3 double crochets. Half double crochet. Skip next stitch. Slip stitch. Repeat 4 more times. Flower base. Round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 3. Work 15 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to join. Round 2. Chain 4. Single crochet in the second chain from hook. Half double crochet in the next chain. Double crochet in the last chain. Skip 2 stitches on the base, slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat the preceding steps 5 times. Leaf, chain 9. Single crochet in second chain from hook. Half double crochet in next chain. Double crochet in next chain. Two treble crochets in next 2 chains. Double crochet in next chain. Half double crochet in next chain. In the last chain, 2 single crochets. Picot. Single crochet. Work back down, half double crochet. Double crochet. 2 treble crochets. Double crochet. Half double crochet. Single crochet. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1. Roll and glue that flower center. Stick that center right on. Flip it over and add leaves. Glue the flower base on top.